Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm not wrong to say that in today's time, every one of us wants to make plenty of money and to complete our desires. We all know that money is an important factor for completing our requirements. So no matter how you make income, the money you make will fall into two categories, passive income or active income. So in today's video, we are diving into the deep sea of money-making ideas. Firstly, let's discuss, what is active income? Active income is the one earned as a direct result of a specific effort. In other words, input is correlated to output. You can earn active money by directly translating your time for money. Whether it's a pay-per-hour job or a salaried one, the amount of money you make is directly correlated to your time. So simply, I can say that with active income, when you don't work, you can't earn. Like if you were an athlete and you injured yourself so badly that you were unable to continue your occupation, you would lose your ability to compete and earn money altogether. Most of the world lives in accordance with an active income credo. However, the wealthy operate on another set of standards. They are all well familiarized with the concept of passive income too, and it is one of the ways that the rich get richer. If you've ever heard the term, making money while you sleep, it is something that truly expresses the passive income. With passive income, you do make money while you sleep. You also make money while you're awake. It's automatic and simply keeps coming in. And that's precisely why passive income is so important, because time is more valuable than money. It's said that don't let making a living prevent you from making a life, by John Wooden. Time is precious, it's sacred, just 24 hours in a day, not more than that. And again, that's the quote that calls for the passive income earning. Now, what exactly is passive income, and how can it be earned? Putting very simple, passive income is something that's received automatically with little requirements for maintenance. Yes, you heard that right, like it's as simple as the definition. You can earn this from a number of sources such as real estate rentals, dividends, interest income, royalties, franchise fees, laundromats, website advertisements, and so on. The initial process of earning requires efforts. It includes the venture of a huge measure of time. During that venture of time, you get no pay. You're contributing your experience with the hopes of producing an income down the road, but not today. Passive income wouldn't happen as expected without first procuring active income. Surely, active income won't make you money while you sleep. What it will do, however, is pay for the bed you sleep on while you work to build your passive income. Active income is important because it allows you to earn income quickly and consistently. It is significant on the grounds that it permits you to procure a pay rapidly and reliably. Additionally, often active income provides people with the means to build a passive income. It is the foundation for you to make passive income, so don't dismiss it. Whether you want to make money from investments, a blog, or anything else, you need to earn an income while you build your passive income streams. So active income also plays an equally important role. So with this, we are ending our video. In case you want any more information, please let me know. I'll be happy to make a video for you. Much thanks to you folks for keeping an eye out, and remember to subscribe to the channel, and furthermore, press the bell icon so you will get informed each time we post.